Okay, here's the crossroads. That goes to the little over quarter-mile loop. And that's where it comes back in. To complete the loop, that goes down to a tree stand for a neighbor. This is the new one I just cut. This is like almost like a four-wheel drive track because it's pretty steep in a couple spots. I don't know if I'd take the girls in a wagon on this one. Property line runs right down there. You can see that other pole. The thing about this particular trail is it goes close to the edge of the marsh, which is pretty cool. Pretty steep for a wagon right in there, but there were a lot of thorny bushes and through here I had to cut out, and a couple of the trees. Oh, here's a good view of the marsh. Closest next door neighbors on the other side of the marsh over there on that side. Had cut a couple of logs to get through some of this section. This will look really nice when the leaves are down in the fall. You'll be able to see all the way around into that marsh and unobstructed from all the leaves. The sun will be shining in. It'll be pretty. My crossbow just got snagged on a little piece of foliage. That continues on, but then this comes up to the field by the power poles that I saw a couple raccoons in the other day. It's all their property here too. And then so you can see the barn right there through the trees, and that'll be easier to see in about a month. But all the leaves are down. Oh, there's a deer. Just running off. They're over eating those acorns or hickory nuts. tails. This one, the first trail I did right here, leaves are already falling on it.